Welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make a star like this one. So make a magic ring or magic circle and make 1, 2, 3. That's a double crochet. So we make a 14 more double crochet in the magic ring one. Now we have 15 double crochet in the magic ring. So we tighten the ring. Leave it to the front. That's okay. Really tightened it. Slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we slip stitch to the next space between the DCs. Then we make chain 3. Then 1, 2 double crochets. Then chain 2. Just like when we are making the granny square. Make 3 more double crochet. Then we skip 3 DC. Make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. And 3 double crochet. That's the pattern. Skip 3 double crochet, make a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then skip 3 DC. Then we slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Now we turn our work, then make a double crochet in the same space, right? Then we skip this 3 double crochet and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space. Then again go between the clusters and make 1 double crochet. No, make 1 single crochet. Sorry, make a single crochet. Then skip the 3 double crochet, go to the chain 2 space, make again 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now we finished our 5 points. So we slip stitch on top of that first single crochet we made. Now we slip stitch as 3 double crochets. We make a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So we will get that point for the star. Then chain 2, again do a double crochet, half double crochet, in single crochet. Then again we make 3 single crochets starting here. 1, 2, and 3. Now there is a twist in the pattern, like here we go not on top of this single crochet, but where the base of the single crochet or the previous row, we go in here, bring the yarn up, then make a slip stitch. I like to call it an extended slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 slip stitches, and we come to the chain 2 space, make 1 single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet, then chain 2, then double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch to the up to the single crochet, then we make an extended slip stitch. That's how the pattern goes. Now we have reached the finishing of the round. Then we make a slip stitch. Let's show you where I made the slip stitch. It's in here. Just get the yarn, go through it. I like to leave a longer tail. One, two, three, four, five. One in yellow, then one in green, one in white. Then I made one small one. This still has to be blocked. Then I think the points will be like more prominent. Okay, see you next time with a different pattern. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe and share and comment.